In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $235,150 in commission just by promoting affiliate links using free traffic without any website, without any followers, and without any money. Okay, so let's get started. So for people who are already watched my videos, I will share with you guys new affiliate link that you should start promoting if you want to earn some commission like this. And for people who are new to my YouTube channel, I will show you guys step by step how we can join Fiverr affiliate marketing, how we can create an affiliate account like this one, and how we can promote your affiliate links using free traffic. Okay, and as you can see over here in my balance, I have $10,125 available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. So anyways, and by the way, this commission took me almost 2 years to earn this commission, and I'm making 10,000 per month right now. Okay, so anyways, for people who are new to my YouTube channel, just go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you will do, just come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. Okay, so what you need to do next, you just need to click on join now, and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Okay, and as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. You just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, and your password, and account type, make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Okay, choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so for people who are asking why it's showing $0 in your impression and in your CTR, because when you will sign up to Fiverr affiliate program, if you scroll down, they will asking you here, do you have main source of traffic? If you say yes, you need to put your website link here. Okay, and if you put your website link here, then Fiverr affiliate will track your impression and your CTR. Okay, so for me, I'm getting traffic outside of Fiverr. I'm not using any website. Okay, that's why I said here, do you have main source of traffic? I said no. Okay, so that's it. I just want to make this clear for some people who are asking in the comments why it's showing $0 in your impression. Okay, anyways, after you finish, this will be your Fiverr affiliate account, as you can see. So what you need to do next is you need to choose good services and profitable services that you will promote on YouTube to earn commission. We will use YouTube to promote our affiliate links for free. Okay, so what you will do, you will go to your YouTube homepage. Okay, so why I choose to promote my affiliate links on YouTube? So did you know that YouTube has 30 billion monthly visitors? You can get so much traffic from YouTube, guys. If you are not using YouTube to promote your affiliate links, you are really missing a big opportunity and you are missing a lot of money. Okay, there is so much traffic from YouTube. Okay, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. Okay, after Google is number one, YouTube is number two. So anyways, go to your YouTube homepage, click on the search, ask questions. So for example, you will ask let's say how to create WooCommerce, for example. Okay, and here you go. YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. Those people are searching for how to create WooCommerce shop or how to create WooCommerce WordPress website. Those people have money, okay, and they are ready to invest money. They want to create WooCommerce websites, but they don't know how to do it. So that's why they are using YouTube to search for how to create WooCommerce website. Okay. And as you can see, a report search prediction. Okay, what you will do, you will go back to your Fiverr homepage. Okay, click on the search for WooCommerce websites. Okay, like this. And here you go. You will find a lot of sellers here on Fiverr that are providing this service. Those people are expert people and they are professional. They can make a good WooCommerce website for those people who are searching for how to make this website. Okay, so what you will do, you just need to choose a good seller. Choose like top rated seller, level 1 seller, level 2 sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose for example like this one. This one is top rated seller. I will click on his service. Just click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. People keep coming back. This seller is providing good service for his customers. He has a lot of orders in queue. So what you will do, you will copy his profile link, okay, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Okay, so before we do that, go back to this seller profile page. Let me show you. Go back to this seller profile page, click on his video. He has a video that's really good. Double click and you need to save this video to your laptop. Okay, click on save video and save this video to your team that owns a high. Double click, click on save video and save this video to your laptop. This seller explaining his service to his customer. I'm gonna name it WooCommerce. Save. Okay, after you finish, what you will do, you will go back to Google. You will search for Canva. Okay, it's super easy. Click on the first link. Sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and it's for free. So just click over here on a video and you will be directly in this page. Click over here on upload. Click on upload file and upload your video. Okay, this is my video. Click on open. Upload this video to your Canva account. Click on your video and your video will be over here. A very warm welcome. Okay, click on this 3 points. Click on set video as background like this. Click on text. Scroll down and choose which style of text you want to use. I will use this one. This one looks good. Just click on the text style. I will delete this part. Make it decrease the font size of your text and put your text here. Double click. Write this sentence. Check link in my description. Check link in my description like this. Okay, and put this title here. Go to elements, click on elements and click on ship. Click on color, choose black color, okay, and click on this ship and put this ship behind your text like this. Okay, and here you go. Check link in description. Let's check.
A very warm welcome from Tech Hikers team that owns a high rated profile and 100% client satisfaction under.
This seller is explaining his service to his customers. That's really good. So people who will watch our video, they will see this. Check link in my description, and we will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description. Okay, so those people who are searching for how to create WooCommerce website, they will check our video, watch this video. They will see this seller is explaining his service and he can provide a professional and a good website, WooCommerce website for his customers. They will see this sentence. Check link in description. They will check our YouTube description. We will put our affiliate link. They will click on our affiliate link and they will be directly in this page. They will buy this service and we will earn commission, and that's it. Okay, So after you finish, click on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Okay, so what you need to do next, you will go back to your YouTube homepage, open your YouTube channel. It's for free and it's really easy. Okay, it will take just a few minutes. Upload this video to your YouTube channel and put this text over here. Okay, use this title: how to create WooCommerce store in WordPress. Okay, exactly like this. Just copy and paste, don't add or change anything. So why you should use the same text, the same keywords? Because people are using those keywords. If you put those keywords, this video that you will upload on YouTube will rank in YouTube search. Okay, for those people who are searching for how to create WooCommerce store in WordPress or how to create WooCommerce website. Okay, they will find your video in YouTube search results. They will check your video and you will check your YouTube description and you will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. This is my method, guys. That's how I choose profitable services. I use YouTube search to find a profitable and what people are searching for, and I go to Fiverr, search for those services that are related to those topics, and that's it. Okay, after you finish, so like I said, upload your video and go to what you will do. You will go back to Fiverr affiliate, your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. If you don't know exactly how to do it, I will leave a link in my description below for a video that's showing you step by step how you can do it. Okay, thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Stay consistent, work hard, make sure to promote a lot of affiliate links, and you will start making a lot of money using free traffic with affiliate marketing.